It's Jeff from the Speed Shop. Allan Wilkin here has brought in his front engine dragster. Racing season's about to start. He might be going to Mission in a couple weeks for test and tune, so we thought it was best to put it on the dyno and do a test and tune here before heading off to Mission. Allan, why don't you tell us a little bit about your car?
It's a 23T altered. It was built in Florida, Suncoast Racing, in 1998, and it originally raced in Division 6 out of Seattle, but a lot faster. I'm happy with it at 8.5
8.5 is pretty
in the Porter, and it used to run in the 6s, so it's capable of more. A different motor, of course. This is a 460 Big Block Chev. It's got good guts in it, but not too sure about the cam. It's a cam dynamics, and they're gone, long time gone, and there's no info on it. So, but I was told it used to rev 8,000. That's where they used to shift it. But I'd like to shift it 72. So that's 9-inch Ford, Mark Williams stuff. It's well built.
Oh, it's very well built.
Yeah, and 430 gears. Yeah, that's about it. I like it. I like the open feeling. I've raced cars, and this is a much different beast.
Well, it's an awesome old cool look. Thanks very much for bringing it in.
Yeah,
And
my pleasure.
let's see what we can do with it here.
Yeah, let's get her going.
Okay, awesome. Thanks, Allan.